सोचो एक मोमेंट, आपने हर एक चीज परफेक्ट करी है, प्रैक्टिस, माइंडसेट, एफर्ट, everything on point, but you still lose. If you've been following the recent test series between India and England, you might have come across this moment, even if you're not a big cricket fan. India was down to the last wicket and needed some 20 odd runs to win the test. Siraj was in crease. The bowler bowls the ball and Siraj literally middles it. He middles it, but the ball goes rolling down, hits the stumps. India loses the match. Now this right here is the most painful kind of failure. The one where you give it all. Siraj isn't a proper batsman. He still gave it his all. He didn't really make a mistake, but India still lost the match. These are the most painful kind of failures because they just dishearten you so much. Give me a few minutes of your time and I will completely rewire how you see these kind of failures. In the ideal world, we think results equal effort. But in the real world, the situation is slightly different. सोचो 11th क्लास में तुमने अगर साइंस ली थी तो तुम्हारा एक टॉपिक होता था न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन. उसमें मेजरली दो टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे, with friction and without friction. The problems without friction used to be an ideal case scenario, while with friction used to be a more real world scenario, because in real life there is friction everywhere. Similarly, the equation of results isn't results equal effort in the real world. Results equal to effort plus luck plus timing plus unknown variables. So what I want you to do is build something called effort muscles. Now, what is effort muscles? Say you go to the gym regularly and you train a particular part of your body, say biceps. After some time, you're going to get pretty good at it. After some time, you're going to grow muscles. Similarly, if you keep putting in effort, focus on what you can repeat, not what you can control. There's a conception among general people that they deserve something. They have this inner desire of deservedness. मैं डिजर्व करता था. ये लाइन ही डेंजरस है बिकॉज रियल वर्ल्ड डिजर्व के एक्शन पे नहीं चलता, ये चलता है एक्शन प्लस रैंडमनेस पे. नाउ वन एडवाइस दैट आई कैन गिव यू इज रिप्लेस एवरी आई डिजर्व विद आई एक्ट. Reframe your mindset to think, I don't deserve success. I just show up every day till the odds bend my way. Now I want you to understand the concept of micro failures and macro failures. The failure of the Indian team and Siraj to not hold the last wicket was a micro failure. क्या वो एक बॉल स्टंप्स पे लगी तो उसका करियर खत्म हो गया? नहीं. Now what I want you to do is create a fail ledger. What is a fail ledger? Fail ledger is basically you note down every single one of your failures with date and outcome till date. You can set a specific period of a time. For example, you take the past 2 years and write down all the failures. Why am I telling you to do this? Because you'll realize that all these failures didn't really matter that much. Your life's still the same. Maybe it has improved because of failures. You learned some new things. It would remove your fear of failures and you won't be scared of making mistakes. There would be a lot of times throughout your life when you won, but you didn't really learn as much. But when you lost, you learned a lot of things. This is a really important lesson because often failures teach so much that you shouldn't really be afraid of them. Treat every failure as a learning opportunity and just move on. Now, one advice I want to give you is to review your last 3 failures. I'm hoping you've already created a fail ledger by now. If you have not, pause the video right now, open a book, pen, and write down your failures. Now, I'm hoping you've done that. So now review your last 3 failures and write down what did they teach you that winning did. Now I want you to redefine what progress looks like. Progress isn't only some shiny trophies. Oftentimes जब तुम फेल होते हो और फेल होने के बाद भी तुम अपने आप को उठा के नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेते हो, that's progress. Next time you fail, don't ask क्यों, just ask yourself अब क्या. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It is the full stop that comes before the next sentence. The only question is, will you pick the pen back up? Want to write the next step of your life with clarity, I have a view journal that is on pre-sale right now, toppling in the description. Don't be scared of failures, bro.